Guys, for today's video, share lang namin yung aming ulam ay ginatang galunggong guys. Ayan. Yung tabi na lang kasi linggo ngayon, marami na sound trip kasi marami nakadiop guys. Di ba? Alam naman natin yan. Kaya pasensya na kayo kung may sound trip na nahagip sa aking vlog. Okay guys. Kaya tayo guys. Guys, kain na. Yan oray. Kamay ka tayo, kamay. Guys. Kamay tayo guys. Ano guys? Nabukot ko na yan guys.
What's inside Erzabar probiotics? Billions of force trained and telespores, rich smart
Guys.